There's that side. I just need to clean up all this right here. Get it moved out of the way. Right there too, clean that up a little bit. Tear those stuff down. Be a nice place to put prices up right there. Same thing with right there too. I'm gonna remove that refrigerator and that weight thingy, throw them outside. Same thing with the grill, the engine, probably put over here. Just need a little bit of cleaning, but that's how it's gonna go. And then got my airline right there. Runs all the way up on top. Got another airline system right there. Hose, impact, that's just trash. And then into here. Yeah, needed a little clean up that area. And then I boarded this up too, so that way it won't be too loud.